Daloy kuma, ti salunat, para iti bagbagi tayo, ken pamilya tayo. Manipod, pamilya, ken kakailyak, ti ili anarbakan, toy kumapkablao kada kayo. Mayor Edna Cabalo Sanidad, agyaman akunay. God bless us all. Narbakan, na isang sangayan.
Ti tsunami ket saan anormal a panagdakkel ti daluyon iti kabay-bayan. Gapo iti napigsa agen ginet iti ansad iti baybay. Dagiti daluyon ket mabalin anang natupay ng iti lima ang amuan no adda dagiti piggad na senyales ti daluyon iti kabay-bayan. Amuan ti lugar a pagbakwitan ken ti kadarasan ken katalgedan adalan a pakadanunan daytoy. Makipaset kadagiti panagsanay ken panagsagana dagiti komunidad para iti idadateng ti layos. Agmula ti bakawan ken dagiti rumbeng nga kayo nga mangtengel ti daga nga mangriggaay iti igid ti baybay. Isagana ti gobag ang nakargaan kadagiti kasapulan ti sanga pamilya. Marikna tinapigsa agen gened. Alisto wenno napaspas a panagbaba wenno pagnato ti danom ti kabaybayan. Naariwawa wenno dumana rudor nga uni akasla sumangbay ti tsunami. Saan nga talinaed iti igid ti baybay kalpasan ti genggened. Mapanadagos iti nangato a lugar. Saan amapan iti igid ti baybay tapno buyaen wenno alaan ti ladawan iti tsunami. Panawan ti nagbakwitan no natalgeden iti lugar babaen ti pakaammo dagiti otoridad. Umadayo iti kabaybayan aginggana awan iti pakaammo manipod kadagiti maseknan a natalgeden ti sitwasyon. Amuan no adda mapukpukaw a kabagyan, ammo wenno kabarangayan, ken i-report adagos kadagiti otoridad. Ipan iti kasikgan nga ospital dagiti nasugatan ken dagiti adda rekreknaen na. Siguraduen nga awan tinabasa wenno nakababad nga outlet wenno alikamen sakbay alokatan ti linya ti kuryente. Kitaen analaeng ti pagtaengan wenno balay no adda dagiti nadadael a paset na ken no kasapulan a masimpa dagitoy.
To all my kaprobinsyaan, here at home and across the world, may this season remind us of our time-honored principle of panagkakadwa or togetherness and of what truly brings joy even during challenging times. As we celebrate Christmas and the coming New Year, let us choose to live in compassion and unity, act with good faith, and inspire positive change, especially for the next generation. Manipod iti pamilyak, kablaawan kayo iti narambak ken naragsak a Paskwa ken nagasat a baro a tawen. Agyaman kada kayo amin, kaprobinsyaan, ken Diyos tiagngina.
Let's wander the 100 islands of Pangasinan, 124 to be exact, each with their own hidden secrets to be explored. The islands are connected by the Lingayen Gulf, and bridges, and even zip lines that let you fly from one island to the next. Woohoo! There's hundreds of adventures to dive into when there's 100 islands to explore. And maybe even more to be had in your next virtual tour.
Tibaet dagiti adu a panubok, riribok ken kalamidad, adtoy tay lata na tulnog a Kristiyano, amang rambak iti kadaklan a Pasken tayo, iti Paskwa. Amok nga uray pay adu dagiti sinagaba tayo, ngem agtalinaed tayo lata akas maysa a parswa, nga agyaman ken mangipaay lata ti ayat ti pada tayo a tao. Kablaawan kayo nga rod, iti dayto agundaway, iti naragsak a Paskwa ken nagasat a baro tawen. Sa graben tayo, iti bendisyon ti Apo, ken agrag-o tayo, tay ayaten na tayo. To'y kumagkablao kada kayo, Bukal Faina, Zaragoza, Delgado, ag
Kakailyak dito'y galimuyod. Abersayan kayo iti daytoy nga Paskwa. Agyamanak iti patinayon na panagmaymaysa tayo, panagdadanggay ken panagiinayat tayo. Amang itunda iti panagrangay tayo amin. Ikarkararag kumet itagtultuloy nga bendisyon, iti tunggal pagtaingan, tapno marikna tayo, ikinaragsak iti tumunggal maysa. Naragsak a Paskwa kinagasat at tawen, 2026 tayo amin. Ito'y anak kinkapsatyo, Mayor JC Balingsat. Guyod, galimuyod.
Ti Espiritu ti Paskwa adda kuma kadatayo. Agyaman tayo ti Apo nga isu ti puon ken gapu ti Paskwa tayo. Ngem iti baet tin tayo panangrambak iti naysang sangayan nga aldaw tayo Kristiyano. Laglagipon tayo mat ti salon at tayo. Taday to ya panawen ti adu ti cake, arak, karne, ken dadumapay. Ano masobraan tayo ket mangipaay ti parikot iti bagi tayo. Aywanan tayo ti salon at tayo. Tanaragragsak met laeng no kaden na tayo ti pamilya tayo. Kaduak ni Claire nga sawak, ken dagiti anak mi. Kablawang kayo iti tunggal maysa. Merry Christmas and a healthier New Year kadatay amin.
Simple pleasures are made special too.
Kahit ko ti agyaman kari kiti imay ditoy Michigan Medical Foundation nga suda ti grupo nga imay ditoy. Kahit dakal ti may tulong da kari kiti kailian tayo kan kastamet din ti interamente nga second may kadwa nga distrito. So pagyaman ako na kari kiti amin pa nga the doctors, karaman naman iti East Avenue Medical Center nga suda pa iti may samat nga kadwa dahito Michigan Foundation Medical Mission kat ado ti may tulong data dahito nga mingkat surgical kan dental ti arami denda so lang nga datay kita ti agas no di kadi agoperarda.
Agyaman na kami the the mayors of the 2nd District of Ilocos Sur as they coordinated also with their constituents dato'y mabalindang na free services, medical services nga mabalinda may tulong for our constituents. With the help of our volunteers and at the same time with Ilocos Sur Medical Center nga damot pondo coming from the Department of Health, we have that medical MAIP nga funds na we through DOH we were informed that we can use those funds for such medical mission. So we whatever funds that's needed at damang provide. So with the support of the Department of Health and their approval and Ilocos Sur Medical Center, we are able to use these funds for such mission. And we thank the President Bongbong Marcos for always providing sufficient funds to Department of Health for such.
Candon City is all geared up to attain inclusive growth by leveling up our economic activities to meet the demand of our growing population and to make headway in our desired goal of becoming a smart city. Our 7-kilometer bypass road, which we name Heroes Bypass Road, ease the traffic congestion along our business central district. But more importantly, it will become our economic driver as it is the home of major government-funded projects and the main extension of our commercial and business district. Thus, it will eventually become the new city center of Candon. Among the major government projects along our 4-lane bypass road is our 8,000 seating capacity Candon City Arena and Convention Center. This will open the opportunity to the city of Candon to host major national and even international sports events and conventions, exhibits, and conferences. We made it also as a multi-purpose center for the first and second floors will be the satellite offices of national government offices. With the combined events and government offices in the center, we expect throng of people to be in and out of the center, which by the way has a unique roofing to give an artistic scenery. To complement is a hotel currently being constructed beside it to cater to tourists and visitors who will attend the programs and activities in the center. Also adjacent to the sports complex is the new LTO branch that caters to our city and of course to our 2nd District of Ilocos Sur. Another big ticket project is the construction of the Candon City Airport. The city government initiated the acquisition of lots for the said project. Under the General Appropriations Act for the year 2022, CAAP allocated the initial funding for the construction of a runway in the amount of 275 million. We will start as a community airport and we will upgrade as the need arises for more air transport for domestic and foreign tourists. I push for this project knowing fully well that an airport is an integral part of the development and growth of an area. Besides, it will also benefit nearby towns, provinces like Abra, Mountain Province, and Ifugao. It will be the shortest road in going to known tourist destinations like Sagada in Mountain Province and Banawe Rice Terraces in Ifugao, cutting the travel time to half as it will only take 3 to 4 hours to reach those tourist destinations from Candon City. Health is wealth, and with our experience with the current COVID-19 pandemic, the city government collaborated with Deputy Speaker Christine Singson and the Department of Health for establishment of the Ilocos Sur Medical Center, located also along the bypass road, which will be one of the premier hospitals in the region, with initial 20 buildings